As a metal fabricator, nothing besides welding is more important than cutting, and nothing makes cutting metal easier than a plasma cutter. But finding a cheap plasma cutter that gets the job done isn't so easy. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 plasma cutters under $500 on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Forney Easy Weld 20P Plasma Cutting Machine. The Forney Easy Weld 20P plasma cutter is lightweight and powerful for a 120-volt machine. With a 20-amp power output, it's able to cut steel up to 1/4 inch thick. At 21 pounds, it's very portable and quite practical for use around the household, in the workshop, and as a job site tool for professionals who need to work inside customer homes. With an industrial build, a 13-foot torch connection and drag cutting arc starts, the Forney Easy Weld 20P provides reliable and professional features that are hard to find in this price range. Forney's been making welding machines for 90 years now and know what it takes to keep a plasma cutter functioning in the modern industrial setting. Nothing's perfect, of course, and in this case you might want something more powerful than this machine if you're doing any kind of volume fabrication. 1/4 inch is pushing the limit if you're doing things like fabricating hitches, modifying frames or customizing suspension parts. Forney does have good customer service and offers a 1-year warranty on this high-quality plasma cutter. Number 2. Lodos LTP5000D Plasma Cutter. This plasma cutter features a high-frequency no-touch pilot arc starting. The Lodos LTP5000D outputs 50 amps, enough power to cut 5/8 inch steel. It's also built to run on either 120 or 240 volt power and only weighs 26 pounds. This machine includes a moisture separator, a pressure regulator, and an air filter with the plasma cutter. The Lodos LTP5000D comes with a 1-year warranty, and users love its performance when cutting heavy steel. It uses German PAPST cooling technology that's a big part of the reason it can deliver a 60% duty rating at its full 50-amp rating when running on 240 volts. The 13-foot torch connection is a plus, but users complain about the short 6-foot ground connection, lack of a 120-volt adapter, and many feel the grounding clamp is of cheap quality. LTP5000D review here. The LTP5000D comes with an integrated airline quick connector. There are some reports of inconsistent quality such as occasional wires not connected, but Lodos does receive good reviews for its customer service, and the Lodos LTP5000D does offer a lot of value for this price range. Number 3. Welder Cut 55DS Plasma Cutting Machine. With 55 amp output power, the inexpensive Welder Cut 55DS plasma cutter fits between the numerous 50 and 60 amp plasma cutters on the market. This machine can cut a 1/2 inch steel plate. The no-touch high-frequency pilot arc means longer-lasting consumables, but also means you can't use this cutter with a CNC table because high-frequency torches interfere with digital electronics. The Welder Cut 55DS plasma cutter is equipped with the Longevity AG60 torch, and it will do the job well enough. One nice feature of this design is the flip-up shield that covers the control panel. Some users report problems with airflow, possibly because of the cheap air hose. Even on a bargain machine like this one, you need adequate airflow and pressure to keep the cutter running and to get reasonable performance. One thing that's a little strange about the Welder Cut 55DS plasma cutter is the decision to use a 120-volt main connection with an adapter for 240 volts when most dual-voltage machines use 240 main power with an adapter for 120 volts. Welder backs this affordable plasma cutter with a 1-year warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee. Number 4. Primeweld CUT50D Plasma Cutter. The Primeweld CUT50D Plasma Cutter features 50 amps of cutting power, easily handling up to a 1/2 inch steel. The wide amperage range lets you dial back down to 15 amps, low enough to cut auto body sheet metal if you're careful. Primeweld gives a 3-year warranty on this inexpensive machine. It features dual 120/240 volt input power and includes the connection adapter for 120-volt household plugs. The Primeweld CUT50D uses drag torch arc starting. Just touch the surface, wait a second and drag to cut. The main disadvantage to a drag start is that consumables get used up faster, but they're a cheap maintenance item, and the additional cost is minimal. The Primeweld CUT50D, the torch connection is a generous 12.5 feet long, with a protective covering to prevent spark damage, and the AG60 torch is easy to find parts for, making it much easier to maintain the proper cutting performance. Because this machine uses high-frequency technology, it won't run on a CNC plasma cutting machine because of digital noise. An affordable machine that combines these features, this kind of power and unmatched customer service, is an amazing deal. Number 5. Superdeal DC Inverter, Cut 50, Plasma Cutter. The Zenni CUT50 platform is used by several makers of inexpensive plasma cutters. This kind of standardization allows for the low price ranges on this type of equipment, with each maker specifying certain optional features and equipment that determines the eventual price level of individual machines. This plasma cutter by Superdeal is a thoughtful mix of features on the CUT50 platform, with lift-type arc starting, a quiet fan and bright LED digital control gauges, with a high build quality often mentioned by owners. The Superdeal DC Inverter, Cut 50, is equipped with dual 120/240 volt input power. This machine comes with an air regulator and features an 11-foot torch connection. It's able to cut a half-inch steel with ease, and users frequently praise the cut quality and ease of use. The Superdeal DC Inverter, Cut 50, is lightweight at 24 pounds and includes an air regulator. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.